Good morning. This is Shirley from Shirley's World Vlog on a Monday morning. I have had a wonderful, some wonderful Poshmark sales yesterday. So that's what I'm going to show you today that I have to get out there in the mail bin. Okay, the first thing I sold was a Tord Harper style blouse. It's sort of a crepey, sort of a dressy blouse. This is in a dark teal color. I'll put pictures on. This is a size large. I got this for free because Samantha gave me 3 of these. The other 2 have sold, and this is the 3rd one that's selling, so they've all sold. And yes, obviously a very popular blouse with Tord. So I'm going to put this in a Ground Advantage bag, that these brown bags that you can get through Poshmark. So this is going to Fayetteville, Arkansas. This sold for $20, and I will make $16 from that. So that is the first thing. The second thing I sold, this is also, these are all Poshmark sales. This is a windbreaker. It looks brand new. I don't think it has a tag, no. But it's so white, there's no stains, no anything on it. This looks brand new. This has never been worn. It has a hood. It's a really nice windbreaker, and it's by Avenue, the brand Avenue. So I'm going to take this off of its hanger, and I think I put it in another type of a plastic bag before I put it in the mailing bag, just to keep it really nice. I have a bigger poly bag here that it will fit in. It is so windy today again. This is like the 3rd day of high winds. Or more than 3 days. It's going to be windy all day, and gusts up to 30 miles an hour again. And we may have some rain, which is not going to be nice weather today. So this sold for $20 also. And this is going to Seabrook, New Hampshire. And I will get $16 off of this sale. I'm going to put a thank you sticker on the back of that. So this extra bag is just to keep it. It's so white, you know. I don't want it to get dirty. So there's the second thing going out. Okay, then last night, or yesterday afternoon, I sold a bundle. Let me just sit down here. I sold a bundle, and I don't know where I put this paperwork. Here it is. I'm going to put this in a box. I'm glad I got these. Well, that's gonna, here's the box I'm going to put it in. I sold 4 things that I'll show you. And then I put paper on the bottom of the box. I'm going to put the box down here. Okay, this is going to Missouri City, Texas. Huh, Missouri City. Okay, the first thing is a Lulu's Flirt Alert. That's the name of the dress. It's a Flirt Alert. Which one is it? 2 pinky things here. Yeah, it's this one. I'll put a picture. I think I have a stock picture on this. It's a mini dress, new with tags, ruffled straps, and it's a size medium. So this is already in a package, so I'm going to leave them in their packages and put them in the box. So that will be the first thing into this box. And the second thing is Felicity and Coco, new with tag, stretchy knit sheath dress. I think that's this one. Yes, it's a knit fabric. And can't read my writing on here. It's a slim sheath dress, new with tags. Again, it's from Nordstrom. It had a tag of $98 from Nordstrom on here. The style was Aisha, and yeah. So this is going. I told you that. This sold for $43. That sheath dress I just put in sold for $45. This sold for $43. It's a size small. Oop, I take the tag off now. And the third package thing is by La Blouse, and it's a size 10. It's vintage, long sleeve. It has shoulder pads. It's a bright red blouse, and this sold for $33. So this will go in the box. Now, the fourth thing I will show you while it's hanging over here. There is the third thing that I'm going to package up. I wanted to show you how pretty it is. It has layers. It's sort of semi-sheer, but it's all lined. Has a V-neck and sort of cap shoulders. Very, very pretty. And I was so excited when I bought this that I thought it would sell right away. And it just never sold. So I'm going to get it from the hanger and we're going to wrap that one. wrap that one up. By the way, that sold for $42. I'll explain all this pricing in a minute. This is new with tags also. I'm going to wrap this up in this paper. Oh, you can't really see what I'm doing either. Let me point the camera down a little bit. I think there's also a stock photo of this on that. I'll show you the picture. I don't know if it's better. You have to tell me in the comments if you'd rather see me bumbling around doing all this, or if I just would have it already in the box and just tell you about it. I don't know. Okay, now this is going in this box along with the other things. And it fits perfectly. And this is one of these Ground Advantage boxes that I got through Poshmark. So let me close this up so I can put the label on it before I misplace the label. The one thing about these boxes, they don't close very good together. You really have to put a lot of tape over that. And then the label. This is going to, I told you, Missouri City, Texas. So there we are, a nice bundle of 4 things. Now let me explain the how the pricing went on that. Sorry about all this. All right. The total of all that is $163. When anybody buys anything, 3 things or more, they get a discount of 15%. So that would take off $24.45. And so the total of this bundle for me is $138.55. And I will net $110.84. So a really nice bundle. And they didn't ask for any discount, any best offer, anything. They bought them at the price that was on the items. They're mostly all new items. And yeah, so super happy with this bundle. I think it's the best bundle that I've ever had, actually, as far as the pricing goes. So yeah, so that is what I sold on a windy Monday morning. I have to get this out into the bin. I don't know if this box will, and all these packages will fit in the bin. I have to go to the bigger bin. So thank you for watching, and I will put pictures of everything on so you can see what they look like. and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.